Hi, Sleeping Warrior uploaded a video today, and in the description he put something like this. To have an angle from any point on your model you need two straight lines. Because of 7/6R you do not have two straight lines. So if I understand this correctly, he claims that in order to measure an angle we only can measure an angle between two straight lines. And because we have refraction in the atmosphere, then the rays of light aren't straight. So according to him, we can't measure the angle between light rays, so sextant wouldn't be able to work in such a case. Okay, so now I hope we all agree about how reflections work when we have a reflective surface and a ray of light comes at this surface, then it will reflect in such a way that the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection, right? And so if we go with Sleeping Warrior's claim, in order for this to work, the light rays have to be straight, right? Curved light rays won't be able to reflect this way because the angles are undefined, if I understand his claim correctly. Okay, so let's look at this. How does this work then? This is a part of an experiment where they set up a density gradient using water and syrup, and basically they shone a laser into the tank, and there is a mirror on the bottom. So when the light ray comes in, it gets bent downwards, and then it reflects off the mirror, gets bent downwards again, and reflects again, and again. So, well, to me it seems like the law of reflection still works here, right? If we magnify this part of the image, if I just cropped out this part of the image, it would still look as if the ray is straight here, and we can have well-defined angles of incidence and reflection, and they will be equal. But those light rays aren't straight. So according to Sleeping Warrior, we don't have any angles here. So how does the reflection work in such a case?